Okay, so now that we have reduced the argument to 3 terms, now we can put it into standard form. And we want to make sure that we use not the original statement, but our converted statements, our inferences. Because otherwise we'd be right back where we started from. Okay, so in the conclusion, the subject term is perfect beings. So that is going to be the minor term. And then humans is the predicate term in this conclusion. So that's the major term. And then mortals is what is left over. Okay, we put that into standard form. No perfect beings are humans, so that's no SRP. The major premise will be all humans are mortals, so all PRM. And then no mortals are perfect beings, so no MRS. Okay, and then we need to do a Venn diagram of it. I'm just going to move this down so that we can see it here. See what we're looking at. Okay, so now we have 2 universal premises. So it doesn't really matter which one we do first. So I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to do the first one first. Why not? All PRM. I'll do the major premise first. So I want to fill in the part that is P and is not M. Because if there are any P's, then they're M's. They're not in this other part. Okay, and then no MRS. So that's this whole area here in between M and S. And even though they don't overlap at all, in other words, I'm not going over the same ground, I'm going to do the lines in a different direction. So that if I need to, I can identify, okay, that's that premise that I diagrammed there. Okay. And then we want to look and see if the conclusion is diagrammed. So the conclusion is no SRP. And when we look, we see that the whole area in between S and P is filled in between the 2 premises. So this argument is valid. And so we write no fallacy here. Because if it's valid, then it doesn't commit a fallacy. Hopefully, that should be obvious.